Hi everyone, my water lilies need to be fertilized. There are lots of ways to do this. I'm just going to show you one method that I've been doing for the last 7 years. I have these syringes where I cut off the tips and I remove the rubber gaskets. I use a general purpose fertilizer, the same that I would for my land plants. I don't think it needs to be exactly balanced. This one just happens to have an NPK ratio of 16. I load the syringes with fertilizer by plunging them into the granules. Next, I take a stick where I made the end slightly pointed, slightly rounded. Then I poke a hole in the substrate where the root density is lower. Generally that's in the center of the pot. This way I avoid breaking excessive roots. With the hole I can easily inject the fertilizer into the substrate and I close it off by pinching the hole closed. Because this plant is older and supposed to be larger, in addition to this first feeding, I'll usually give it another feeding on the opposite side. Here I'm finishing the second of my 2 water lilies, remembering to pinch the hole closed. It's now a month later and my water lilies have perked up. If you're trying this method, please be sure to read the cautionary note at the end of this video. And thank you for watching. Always test new fertilizers and methods on a small number of fish and plants. This will minimize loss in case your fertilizers cause harm.